Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. Fuck.
A fine boy. He chomk. A heckin'.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sanctus.
I wouldn't call myself a cat guy. She's not a cat. She's not a human cat, like cat human.
Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out.
Warming up your whiskers, Sam?
Many things have been lost down that vent.
Slay! Slay!
Bailey, you want a treat?
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Hey, come here, Doug.
Oh, you're so cutie. Coochie coochie. Oh, you're so cutie too.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Thank you for helping, Marty.
Bruh!
Like,
Huh?
Dude! Look, no, please! Don't.
Sit. It's inflicted when you get aggressive. No!
Good job. Why is it spicy?
No! Drag it in. Block.
Be nice. Be nice to the kitties.
It's okay. Steeler, it's okay, bud. Bagheera, no te muevas, Bagheera. No te muevas, Bagheera. No te muevas.
Hey!
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you like, huh?
It was a staring contest.
That is a big freaking kitty. That scared me.
The poster want to take a picture with you, with Jane. Come on.
Oh my god.
You gonna fight?
Here's Carmi.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Ow!
Hi, Carly. My name is Kaylee. Stop!
I don't know what y'all did to him before y'all left, but he has got crazy.
I'm hunting kitty.
This little piggy went.
Bilang ko to paliman sa dumamay. Bikin sa las, sa